Alright, for C, for those who did the greatest common factor, you just break them up into factors. Math operation. And then notice how I changed that 6 to be a 2. Do you guys see that? 2 times 3 times x. Class, what do they have in common? 2 and an x. What's not underlined in red? Plus 3. Raise your hand if you got that. Now let me show you guys what would happen if you did not see the greatest common factor. The great thing about math, it's forgiving. You can still do the problem. This is your A, B, and C. So if I try to factor this, A times C would be 2 times 0, which is 0. B value is 6. Class, 2 numbers that multiply to be 0, but add to be 6. 6 and 0. I'm going to put this into my box. So I'm trying to show you a second approach, just in case you don't see it. This is 6x. This is 0x. I'm going to put this first term in here, and then the last term here. Class, what's the greatest common factor in this column? Close. 2x. How about in this column? 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times something equals 6x. 3. And how about over here? X times something equals 0x. 0. Do you see how that matches? 2x plus 0 is the same thing as 2x. And x plus 3 is the same thing as x plus 3. So just in case, you're first supposed to do what? Class, what are you supposed to do first? Greatest common factor. In this problem, all you had to do was just the greatest common factor, but if you don't see it, you can still do the problem using Xbox method. Let's graph it. We're going to apply the zero product rule. Divide by 2, x is equal to 0. Subtract 3, x is equal to negative 3. Let's go ahead and graph it. This is the x-axis. This is where your x values are equal to 0 and negative 3. We're reminded of our function family. This is a power of 2, so this is going to be quadratic. My a value here is positive, so it's going to be opening up. Raise your hand if your graph look like that.